so excited. I was so excited to get some rocks and get like new materials and stuff. But then I realized that you only get points. You only get points for this, and then the points like equate to other stuff. Bubba! You're insufferable today! I know that. I'm trying to mine! This is actually... This game kind of reminds me of Minecraft. Oh, wow, wow, wow. It's crazy! Do it. Bubba! No! Oh, here, Bubba, you want to say something to everyone? Here. What, Bubba? What is it? Bubba? Now you don't want to talk, huh? Oh! Tell me about your day, Bubba. What happened? Oh! Complaining. What do you want? Can I help you with something? You had a snack, you had water, went outside. Pets? What else? Attention! Think you did what? She stole something from you? I have to investigate. Want me to find what she stole? Yeah? Alright. I have to do it later, Bubba. Doesn't have to wait. Oh, what? Just petting him. Okay. Hi. You want to sit on my lap here? Alright. So yeah, you just get points. Now I only get 25? What a ripoff!